In this video, we are going to run through exactly on how to buy domain names from Namecheap.com, and this is a step-by-step tutorial, so please follow up and I will show you the cheapest method to buy your domain names from Namecheap.com. So now let's jump into it. So as the first step in this tutorial, now I'm going to open my web browser and I'm going to simply proceed to this link, and I have placed this link in the description box below, so you guys can navigate to the description box and you guys can get this link. And this is a very easy and a cheapest method to proceed with. So now I'm going to proceed to this website or this link, and this is Namecheap.com. so you guys can see they are saying that get a .com domain for just $6.98. So this is the cheapest price in the market, so you guys can proceed with the Namecheap.com. so as the second step, now I'm going to simply copy this promo code, and this says me copy it to the clipboard. So now I'm going to simply create an account in Namecheap.com. so you guys can also create an account for 100% free using Namecheap.com. so you can simply click on this button and you can see that login to your account or sign up. So when you click on sign up, you will experience an interface like this. So you need to enter your username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, and the email address. So please provide real and authentic data, because Namecheap.com is maintaining the best service out of all. So if you give a fake email for this, you won't receive any promo messages and many DNS related messages. So as I am having an account already, I'm going to simply log in to my account. So I'm going to simply sign in and continue. So okay, now as you guys can see, I am successfully inside my dashboard of Namecheap.com. so you guys can see I have purchased a domain already. So you guys can proceed to this website. So this is also another domain. So I have a past experience of my domains which I bought from Namecheap. So these domains are very secure and very cheap. So in this step, after reaching to your dashboard, you need to search for domain name. So I'm going to simply search for a domain name techymain.com. so I'm going to simply search for this domain name, whether it's available or not. So this is the third step. So you guys can see this domain name is available, and this says me as techymain.com is available. So I can get this domain name for $6.98, maybe like $7. So this, how to get it? So this shows me as $9, but I can get it for $6. So how? Simply click on add to cart. So you will be directed, or your item will be added to the cart, and you can simply click on view item, and you can see that the total price is showing as 9.76. so I'm going to simply click on view item and I'm going to simply click on checkout. So here I can simply select the how many years I need to buy this domain name, and I'm going to simply turn off this auto renew option. So you guys also turn off this, because when you stop using this domain, this will automatically renew, because this will create an unnecessary purchase from your account. So this domain privacy is 100% free for 1 year subscription in Namecheap.com. so now I'm going to simply paste the promo code which I have copied. So I'm going to paste this newcom 698. so I'm going to simply click on apply, and you will experience the price change. So you guys can see this coupon has already used in your account or expired. So as I have used this coupon code already, this is saying that you can't use it again. So you have successfully learned the exact method to buy a domain name from Namecheap.com. So you can head over to the confirm order and you can enter your shopping details, and you can enter the secure card payment and many more method, and you can buy your domain name right away from Namecheap.com. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe Techy Main YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.